If you can observe this problem, the radius of a right circular cylinder is increased by 10% and we have to discuss about its height. For that, the volume remains unchanged. So we can draw the figure and you will get figure like this. So this is the first cylinder that we are having and this will be the final cylinder that we are having, in which the radius is increasing but the height is decreasing. And here you will say this one is height and this one is a small r and this one is a small of h. Now we want to find the relation between its radius. So capital R can be written as r plus 10% of r, and that is equal to 11 by 10 r. Now if I want to discuss about its height, for that we have to understand about its volume, and it is given that the volume remains unchanged. So we will say volume initial, that is equal to volume final. And what is the volume initial here? You will write as pi small square r square, that is equal into h, and here you will write pi capital R square capital H. Pi and pi will get cancelled. You will get the value as small capital of H upon small of h, that is equal to small r square upon capital R square. And you will get the value as, here if you want to write it like this, I can get the ratio that is from here, that is equal to small r upon capital R, that is equal to 10 by 11. And you will write it as 100 by 121. You will get capital H upon small of h, that is equal to 100 by 121. Now if I want to write in the further manner, you will write small of h upon capital of H, that is equal to 121 upon 100. So if I want to find the value of delta of h, I will write as small of h minus capital of h. And if I want to divide it with the ratio small capital of h, you will write it like this. I can write the same thing as 121 minus of 100 upon 100, and you will get the value as 21 upon 100, which means that delta of small of h and capital of H, if I multiply it with 100, you will get it as equal to 21%, which means that the height is decreasing by 21% and the radius increasing by 10% if I want to make the volume as the same volume. So that's the answer that you will get. If I want to write the same thing in the numbers manner, so you will write the radius is given as 10, so we have to make the radius that is equal to 11. If the height is given as 100, so we have to decrease its height by 21%, so you will write it as equal to 79 centimeters. If I will multiply these two values, you will get the same thing, whatever with the answer that you will get from here.